Sorting data. Excel can arrange the selected data in either ascending or descending order. This is called sorting of data. To sort data, follow the given steps. 1. Select the data to be sorted. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 4. Select Sort A to Z for text or sort smallest to largest for numbers to sort the data in ascending order. The selected data gets arranged in ascending order. Custom sort. If more than one column is to be sorted in such a way that the first column is in ascending order, and if some data is the same for more than one row, then the second column of such rows gets sorted in descending order. You can do this in Excel using custom sort. To use custom sort, follow the given steps. 1. Select the range of columns to be sorted. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 4. Click on the Custom Sort option. 5. Check My Data has Headers checkbox if the selected columns have a heading at the top. 6. Click on the Sort By box to select a column head for sorting. 7. Click on the Sort On box to select Cell Values option. 8. Click on the Order box to select A to Z for text and smallest to largest for numbers. 9. Click on the Add Level button to define a new criteria. 10. Repeat steps 6 to 8 to sort marks in previous term column in descending order. 11. Click on the OK button. The data will be sorted according to the criteria defined.